guys, welcome to my tutorial channel, and this is my second video of teaching how a tutorial. And you don't know how to make a sign in Detector. Like, we're gonna do this in 3 multiple sites: PenguinMod, Scratch, and Triple One. First, you also have to go and create and delete the Scratch sprite. Sorry, Scratch. I won't delete you. Just put the Scratch in the 5 size. I'm gonna put this. I don't want to delete that poor Scratch. So, after, draw a check mark. Just make a check mark. I know my computer is making a lot of noise. I know that. So, never mind. Because this, it's mean yes. So, it's mean true. Because you need to type true. And like for an example, I will put the check mark, the outline of the check mark green, the outline of the check mark green, and the inside of the check mark green too. Please let me fix that. And now time to make the X. If you don't want to make the X, just put like true and if you have a mod Scratch that is like just like this, put the X as the same size to the check mark. I know there's music. So anyways, you're gonna have to make the X. Bro, let me remake. I need to make my X for a sec. I know it's taking a lot of time, but your X is ready if you did it. And my X will be like that. I know he's fat, the X. That's how I'm gonna make them bigger. That's correct. And if username equals nothing, take this like lowercase. No, I won't delete it. So, username, switch custom to username equals, by example, I will put true, and this is going to false. And there's another way to do it. I'm gonna show you. You don't need to duplicate the sprite forever. If then else, username not username equals nothing. Switch custom to false. Switch custom to false. Adios, scratch. So, if not username equals true, it's true because you have your username. And X. So you're gonna go in PenguinMod, and in PenguinMod, you don't need to do the detector like me. It's very easy because first you just need to download the sprite and like that. And the thing I tell you, log it in, switch custom to log in. Or else, not username equals this, you need to put it true. And if you put not username equals like that, it will be true. It wouldn't be false. And if it's like that, wouldn't be true. So let me explain why. So I'm gonna just share my project, and if you sign out, you're gonna go gonna go into my Scratch profile. If you gonna go in my Scratch profile and you're not signed in, or else create a block named log out. You're just gonna, because not logged in. So you're gonna say not logged in because you're logging in. You're not logged in is true. This is kind of weird. If you do this, the logout will be 0. And switch custom to false. It will. And the logout is false. If you go to Scratch and go to my profile picture, I'm just gonna re-sign in. And if you don't try this, because if you don't have an Scratch account, you want to see the detector. I'm gonna say not username equals not false, true. Because I'm gonna say I'm gonna call it log in. And I'm gonna save now. And if I redo that again, and I'm singing out, and I'm gonna search my profile picture on Scratch. And I don't know what it does. So I'm here in my project, and you're not logged in. Because if I'm not logged in, because username is nothing. Or if you lazy, create a blog name login, like log in, and when clicked, log in to username equals nothing. Log. I'm gonna write login, cause I know I'm too laggy. But login, username equals like that. And if it's 0, no, false. And if you did this, why does this keep to be false? It's like such a bug or something. So anyways, say username equals nothing, true. And after, make the new variable and username and say log, and switch costume to login. And if you put the not, it will be false. And if you put like that, I'm gonna take a forever loop, and I don't know if it's working, but yeah, because when it's 1, say like 1, and when it's nothing, like 0, it's false. Not username, you're not true, and this is true. It's like that. And now we're gonna try turbo warp without the code we made. So, we're gonna go in turbo warp,